Joke, I can't wait.
Like 10 minutes or us. Like 10 minutes and we go reach it. Yeah, I really like the song, dude. Oh God!
You see that?
I know what's going on here. But what the hell is this? What the hell is this, boy? What did you? Hey, hey, hey. What's going on here, boy? What the jail is this? Hey, give me my phone, boy. My phone, boy. Dan. Hey, protect my house.
No way.
What's really going on here, boy?
I feel we had to walk home,
We had to walk home, Jay. And now somebody had to say, you see, that is why the heck starts. They incorporate something too.
Gosh, that your father car was.
Really say bad things was going to happen to you.
Gosh, boy.
Nice, okay. You nearly reach him?
Yeah, boy, like 10 minutes, 15, something so.
I don't know if I can take more of this bush.
What up to you, boy?
You enjoying the environment?
Yeah, boy. Oh, this breeze real nice, right? Look at that. Watch that.
What do you ask?
What the jail is this? Dan, what the hell is? Hey, Dan. Hey, watch now. Oz, watch now. What the jail is this, boy? I come find up in the bush here to get robbed, boy. But what the flick?
Where are you going on here,
What about the bush now, right?
For you there? Well, they carry up inside there and check. What's going on? That woman here, you say she that pants and we were several to leave the woman alone.
Yeah, Oz, it's really your fault, Oz. You should not tell the woman nothing. Oz, you throw the woman some garbage there. What kind of thing is that?
Yeah, like my phone not even working, boy.
Let me check, wait, Oz, let me check mine. Hold on, eh? What the f... Oz, no service, Jed.
As we done 10 minutes how you go, like walk up the road and see if we had to get a call up.
That you only so you can get, probably get a phone or something, Jed. It's like a 5 minutes walk. Or that water. I'm thirsty. Got it.
You gotta cut out. I'm tired of this bush, you know.
Dan, it's only like 10 minutes, Jed. 10-15 minutes tops and we there.
Honestly,
Nothing biting me in.
honestly, we could have got feds and bubble, you know.
What the Jed? Rick, why you pick this man to drive we, Jed?
What's that new one?
What's that new one? Hey, but what hey, watch, hey, let me at least make your phone now, us. I just want to phone us. What? I just want to phone us. What the jail is this, boy? Come quite out here to get robbers.
So I mean, we come up in the bush and check what? The woman really say bad things go happen to me, but
it's you and us. It's you, Jed. You tell.
Honestly, and I don't even up in the back and check one. I don't even have any service where
Us. Let me check my phone out. Us, I feel like I'm working for Digicel us and no phone service, Jed. What jail is this, boy?
As is only 10 minutes away, like you go, I don't walk up the road by the sometimes you don't up there it is.
A little 10 minutes walk.
Yeah, boy.
Us, and that's your father kind of, Jed. Stop.
Where we going on?
Tell you already, boy, we going east, right? And check out something, Jed.
All this bush up inside it.
All I know is, Jed.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yes. Definitely. 3, 2. Oh. 3, 2, 1.
Where we going now? What's up on all this bush?
But I tell you already, we going east, right? Center. We're gonna check out something.
I don't see the point now. Yeah. We're still going too fast. Stop. I rush on. Ready?
Yep.
We're going on this up and all this bush.
But I tell you, we go in the A's, right? Center to check out something, Dre.
I don't care now, once they pay me.
You're supposed to say the bush ain't making no sense. One.
Where we going on?
But I tell you, we go in A's, right? Center to check out something, Dre.
I don't care about all this now, once they pay me. All this bush ain't making no sense.
I mean, that making no sense, Dre. Put your hand out the window. Put your hand out the window and feel all this nice breeze, Dre.
I feel no nice breeze, I feel hot. You funny, you see that?
All I know, Dre, is from this brochure that I read, right? They tell you so all these trees real important because it forms something like a watershed now.
Yeah, boy, and I have a curry too, boy. It have a curry up by me, dog, and... Sorry.
One.
Where we going on?
But I tell you, we go in the A's, right, center. You know, check out what they have now.
All this bush ain't making no sense.
I mean, it making no sense, Dre. Dan, watch this. Put your hand out the window, feel all this nice breeze, Dre.
Nah, I feel hot right now.
Why would breeze when it have AC?
All I know is, Dre, I keep my window down. Okay, see all these trees that I have here? I read in a brochure. All these trees here form like a watershed now, and the watershed is basically give you water now.
Yeah, boy, and I hear up there have a curry too now, boy, and I buy me have a curry, and that real messing up the river now, boy, and it's a dust in there and thing.
Okay, I mean, look at this. This is real prime property to put on a nice house.
Also do what, boy, Sean?
I want to sell that and rent it to people and all kind of thing. Hey!
Hey, she does?
One.
Yeah, boy, I hear it have a curry up there and thing too, boy, and I buy me to have a curry, and that real mess up the river and thing now, boy, and it's a dust all over and thing.
I should have some nice animals on and thing. Get some
nice
good
thing.
wild meat in it.
So say something?
He was supposed to say something.
I think so.
About the property.
Come on, ready? Stop. Stop, Pika.
Roll it back, roll it back, roll it back.
Stop the car.
It's like the same song just...
This song real nice. This song
Yeah.
real nice.
No, what want to say that it starts from here, playing the same song, and then it starts over again and it playing the same song.
That way
Them ain't
we
gone.
were supposed to get it in one shot.
Them ain't going here.
Yeah, okay. Don't worry.
Ready? Put on a serious face. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, boy. I had to have a curry up there and thing, and I have a curry up by me. And that real devastated the river dog, and it's a real dust in there and thing, it real mess up the place.
Free loss?
Yeah, boy.
That don't matter. I mean, look at this nice piece of land here. I could put on a nice big house and rent it out to some. And I show fools like what they gonna buy.
Jerry, you always talking something, eh?
It's true, dog. Yeah.
Hey,
What's
wait
this?
that? Why you're driving up more? No, they need some.
Hey!
Hey,
What
that
the jail is this?
You
This
see
one?
that?
But what going on there, boy?
what is wrong with all the youths nowadays? All they didn't see me in the road.
You gotta watch yourself.
Yeah.
I have
You in the
a
middle of
big
the road.
orange overall. I have to watch myself. All I need to learn how to drive properly on these
What
roads.
you always doing in the middle of the road anyway?
Where all they heading in all that speed?
But we going by the A's, right, center?
And
Waste our time, please.
waste our time. Alright, we go see about that. Enjoy all the day.
You miss.
I owe you that. Hey!
Jesus, boy.
What is
What happened there?
Laughing too much.
Kill her. Hey, we finally reached where?
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, man. I'm not car, we reached here a long time, man.
And
And don't remember what that car scene now, boy.
it's your fault.
How is we fault?
So
You
they bring
carry
us
in
up
the
in
bush.
If only didn't jump with the woman, we might not get hex on her.
Yeah, you throw garbage at the woman, eh, dog? Yes, I remember that. Throw garbage at the woman.
But I just trying to enjoy the journey now, right?
I'm recording. But they gotta leave.
I kind of feeling sorry for Eric. But then again,
They had to tape it.
not really.
Hey, put on a